Hello! Craving something hearty yet healthy? Ready to try something new and exciting? Let's stack up a delicious paneer sandwich with a shawarma twist that's as filling as it is flavorful. Come on! Today we are making a super tasty paneer sandwich with a shawarma twist. It's a little bit of India and a touch of the Mediterranean all in one. The sandwich isn't just delicious, it's super filling too. It's packed with a lot of flavors and nutrients. It's perfect for a hearty breakfast or as a great lunch option to take to work. It's the kind of meal that keeps you satisfied and energized for hours. So let's get started. Alright, before we jump into action, first up, our main ingredient is paneer. It's a great source of protein, calcium, and essential fats, and it's perfect for soaking up all the yummy flavors we're going to add. Here's a quick tip if you're using paneer straight from the fridge. Whether it's homemade or store-bought, slice it up and soak it in warm water to soften it up nicely. This little trick makes the paneer just perfect for our sandwich. So, now it's time to prepare our Tandoori Greek yogurt mayonnaise. For this, we need organic, non-fat Greek yogurt. We need mayonnaise. Here I'm using mayonnaise which is made from avocado oil, which is a healthier version, but we are also free to use a vegan version of mayonnaise. Then we are using tahini. We need some garlic powder. We need some vinegar and half a lime. So let's get started with the preparation. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Then I'm adding 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise. You can even use vegan mayo. Now I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar. And now I'm adding about a teaspoon of tahini. Time to add the seasonings. Now I'm adding salt, say half a teaspoon. I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Then I sprinkled some garlic, squeeze the juice out of half of a lime. Now we just mix all these ingredients together. This sauce is what makes the sandwich pop. It is super easy to whip up. It is creamy, it is tangy, and it is so yummy. I just love it. Alright, let's whip up some tzatziki dip to go with our sandwich. This dip is very easy to make. You will need 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt to start. Now we need to set this bowl aside. It's time to grate our cucumber. We cut off the edges. I usually rub the open edges of the cucumber to reduce bitterness. And for 2 teaspoons of grated cucumber, I think you will need less than a 1/4. So I'm cutting that up. We can set the remaining cucumber aside. Now let's peel our cucumber, grate it, and add the freshly grated cucumber, say a little more than 2 teaspoons to the bowl. Now let's take a garlic clove, mince it well, and add the freshly minced garlic to the bowl. Let's add some freshly chopped dill as per your taste and liking. Now let's season it with salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Squeeze the juice out of half a lime. Drizzle about half a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Give all the ingredients a good stir, and there you have it. Creamy, dreamy tzatziki that's perfect for dipping or spreading. It's a cool, creamy, tangy addition to our spicy paneer sandwich, balancing out the flavors beautifully. It's great for a quick snack with some veggies or pita chips if you still have some sauce left over. Our paneer has soaked a bit. We'll just drain off the water. There we go. It's nicely softened and ready to be cooked. Let's get cooking. We have our paneer which is ready. We need some mixed bell peppers of your choice and some finely diced red onions to prepare the stir-fry veggies and paneer. Let's heat a pan on medium heat. Drizzle some olive oil once the pan is hot enough, and then let's spread this oil evenly across the pan. Now let's add in the mixed bell peppers and stir fry these veggies on high heat for about 2 minutes. Now it's time to add in the diced onions and saute the veggies for about 2 minutes more. Time to season. Let's add half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of chili powder for some heat if you like it, half a teaspoon of crushed dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Mix in the seasonings thoroughly. Let's add the paneer. Switch the flame to low heat, and now let's gently toss this paneer in the veggies and the seasonings until it is evenly coated with all the flavors. Let's season this with salt as per your liking. Give it a good mix. Once you stir fry these beauties, you can keep the paneer and veggies fresh in the fridge for up to 3 days. And guess what? Our zesty tandoori Greek yogurt mayo and the cool tzatziki dip, they stay fresh for up to a week. So feel free to whip up a batch and use it throughout the week. Alright, let's talk about the bread we are using today. It's organic minced sourdough. Why this one? Well, first off, it's organic and sourdough. It's not just tasty, it's actually easier to digest and better for you than regular bread. Plus, the minced style means it's got wholesome ingredients and texture. It's perfect for a sandwich that's as healthy as it's delicious. Let's build this sandwich. Spread some hummus on your whole wheat sourdough bread slices along with the tandoori Greek yogurt mayo. Then add half a slice of cheddar cheese if you like. This is completely optional. Pile on the paneer and those colorful bell peppers and onions we just sauteed. Add the lettuce. Close the sandwich. Time to toast the sandwich. Heat the griddle, brush it with olive oil, and toast sandwich on both sides until it's nice and crispy and the cheese is all melty. Almost done. Let's slice it up and it's ready to be served. Want a bite? It's so delicious that you must try this. It's packed with flavor and perfect for a filling breakfast or lunch.